Hello, my name is Ben and I am not a great gamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris. Last time, like when we last left off, actually let me do a real quick thing here. Empire. Zara, manage sector, add these guys. I don't need to deal with them. When last we left off, we were trying to decide what we were going to do about a particular planet, and I found the planet. I'm calling it Verona with the project. And it turns out, this abandoned terraforming project, you can either tell it to continue, or you can tell it to just bust it up. If you bust it up, the project goes away. And the abandoned terraforming project, that modifier just goes away. But if you resume the process, there's a 25% chance that this becomes a Gaia world. There's a 25% chance that this becomes just some other type of planet. There's a 25% chance that, I don't remember exactly what happens, but there's some like mean monster folks that can come about it, and there's a 25% chance this becomes a toxic planet and we'd lose the system. We'd have to go back and recolonize probably this spot over here. So interesting times. We decided to go for it. Well, let's roll the dice and see what happens. I would love a Gaia world. Let's see what happens. I got rid of a bunch of my minerals.
Enemy troops landing.
Hang on.
Project complete.
That's what I thought. Okay. So I blew a bunch of my troops, or a bunch of my, what's it called? Stuff. My minerals on actually building a ton of corvettes because I forgot our president, Sebastiano Carniola. I love how he's no longer a priest anymore. He's just a president. He has a corvette focus. So I figured I might as well just build a bunch of corvettes while they're good and cheap. So, good times. Okay, so the aborted terraforming process on Verona with the project has finally been completed. After seeding the atmosphere with billions of terraforming nanites, the alien bioengineering machinery has significantly altered conditions on the surface. Something appears to have gone wrong with the nanites designed... When the nanites designed the planet's new biota, however, they have spawned millions of horribly deformed creatures. Most of them died within moments when their twisted bodies collapsed, but the survivors have massed together in a throbbing, shrieking horde. To make matters worse, they appear to be flocking towards our main settlement. It's like something out of a nightmare. The mutated creatures are attacking our colonists. So first things first, Ethkree, where are you? Oh, you're way the hell over there. Okay, embark all. Let's get all of our troops going. Especially these not fun con troops. Let's get them up. Embark all. Not fun con troops. Oh, it's so hard to tell which ones these are. I wish it would tell you what it was you were playing with. Yes, Psionic Army, not FunCon. Okay, you, get over here. Oh, it's a tropical world now. Ha ha ha. First, enter orbit. You're going to be the first ones there, so you enter orbit as well. Why did I keep my troops way the hell over there? That was dumb. Enter orbit. Enter orbit. Okay. What's it look like now? So you guys are probably crazy unhappy right now. Spiritualist regime, max unhappiness, and oh, what's your max? Wait, yeah, Arctic preference. How come you're not like crazy unhappy right now? Oh, you will be in a second, I bet you. Okay, it's like something out of a nightmare. Let's see what happens. I had to restart the computer, or restart the program because I was having FPS issues. Armies. There's only 2 of them. Oh no, okay, hang on. Deformed creatures, mutant horde. Damage. They're pretty potent. Yeah, they're pretty potent. Okay, our Titans will be able to handle it though. So we're gonna lose the planet. It's gonna be occupied. Watch. Yeah, see, they're hardly taking any damage at all, and our troops are losing horribly. So, fun times.
Planet lost to invasion.
We must send military relief. Our main forces on Verona with the project have been decimated by the onslaught of the mutated creatures. The vile beasts are now roaming free across the entire colony, butchering our colonists with impunity. There are reports of survivors having fled the settlements to hide in the countryside, but it's only a matter of time before they are found by the marauding creatures, and we only have... Yeesh! We only have a few months, actually. These pops are being purged. That's not good. Not good at all. My corvettes are being built.
Construction
That's
complete.
nice.
Research complete.
Research complete. Tile blockers. Excellent. Well, more science? So, more science is always good, right? Propaganda transmissions. Ooh. Oh, that's a repeatable tech. I want something... Ooh, army upkeep minus 10%. Okay, I'll do that, actually. I'll do that. It's nice and quick. It's relatively useful. I'll do that. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what happens once the population is gone, you know? Planet is occupied
complete.
by deformed creatures. Ugh, gross. When do you get here? Oh, it's gonna be a while. And before they land, before our troops land, we're going to want to, we're gonna want to assign them a general. Which means we should probably have a general, huh? Recruit. What's this? Army morale, plus 25%. Now let's go butcher. Army damage, plus 10%. Oh, that's not bad, actually. Between army morale and army damage, that's a tough one. We're not going eager. Just not. He's also level 3. So recruit this guy. Assign leader. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. LATSGO.
Construction complete.
The Krulls are no longer trying to improve relations with us. The hierarchy over us are no longer trying to improve relations with us.
Colony established. Construction complete.
Oh man. 11-3. We only have 2 months before that actually happens, before we lose those guys. What are these mutated hordes like? Their health... When I compare them to my not FunCon troops, morale of 600. Ooh, health is only 287, but the damage is high. So these guys have a high health, but the damage isn't amazing. So, yeah. I don't think we can win with this. It would be like 4 on 3.
Colony established. Construction complete.
A lot of things just finished. Okay.
Construction complete.
Let's see what happens. I don't think we can take this. Additional research stations have been constructed. Excellent. 175 influence. Very nice.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Oh no! Shoot, I didn't realize that's how that worked. 10 days. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. retreat. I didn't realize this. Okay, 4th Fleet. Start costing me too much money. Because that's exactly what you're going to have to do. Don't do that. Don't actually build that research station. Why don't you build a different research station? Why don't you just build a research station up there instead? I just realized that this construction ship is going to wander on over. For whatever reason, my alien space station... Yeah, is... This space... Okay, these guys, these deformed creatures, they are also in control of our space station. It's like Alien, right?
Construction complete.
Whoa. This alien vessel has unknown capabilities. What? What? Oh, snap. Okay. Okay, all of my transport fleets. You need to go somewhere else. Transport fleets, come over here instead. Enter orbit. Enter orbit. Man, mutated creatures, right? See, I was worried about this being boring, and look what happens. Oh, man.
Construction complete. Construction complete.
Kappa aliens. They're producing...
Construction complete. Research
They're producing, like, alien vessels, too. Like, look at these guys. What is that? I think that's the... I think that's, what are they called? The bird ones, the avian ones. Oh, research complete. Centralized command. Excellent. Now, our armies cost less. Combat training. Army upkeep minus 10%. Oh. We don't really need more naval capacity. Even though that would be quick. Army upkeep is going to be good. 18 months. Okay. Alright, well, Transports are going where they should. 4th Fleet is going where it should. Oh, construction ship, don't go there. Don't go there. Go here. Yeah. Oh, man. Fun times, right? This is what happens when you mess with alien technology. You get horribly deformed creatures who ruin your life. Or at least one of your colonies. Look at that. Look at that physics research. Look at that physics research.
Construction complete.
All right. Let's see how much time is in the episode. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna have to build even more stuff soon. Oh yeah, who's the president now? Still the big blue blob. Okay. It's almost our turn, actually. We have such a huge empire, though. Just getting our fleet over here has been troublesome. Yeah, there's our fleet down there. Oh,
Construction complete. Construction complete. System survey complete.
System survey didn't do super well. Didn't find anything crazy interesting. How's this tomb world? It's pretty standard. Bomb craters, mountain ranges, active volcanoes, you know, that kind of thing. Okay. Schiaparelli, don't die. How's that? Why don't you assist research over here? It's really kind of dumb, but assist it anyway. How much research are we getting out of this? 3 society research. Yep, that's about what I figured. It's about what I figured. And that's probably free, too.
Construction complete.
Oh yeah. My spaceports are going crazy. Let's get our... Let's get all our fleets heading to a centralized location, like Venezia. Oh good, Transport Fleet 6 has been fully repaired. Excellent. Okay, 4th Fleet. I don't know why this is called 4th Fleet. It's 1st Fleet. In my opinion. I mean... Excuse me. That was a weird name. That was a weird little noise my mouth just made there. Yeah, it's got 27,000. I mean, it's the biggest pile of troops of ships we have. So.
Complete.
We have all of our
complete.
fleets. All of our fleets. Whoa. Out in the world right now, so that's kind of fun. And we're still making money. Like none of our fleets are in orbit of anything. So I just wanted to point something out. If you look at this, we are actually better than these guys in one thing. Our naval capacity is bigger than theirs, so we are capable of fielding more fleets than they are capable of fielding. Now that being said, they still have a lot of fleet, so we're gonna have to outbuild them. Is what's going on. That's what's going on. What? Inactive buildings. What? Where is this? My Lepanto. Happiness -5. What? Why? Population purchase. I hate that. I didn't do anything. This is something they said that they were going to fix. I didn't purge any pop, but they're all unhappy because I purged a pop. Yeah, this is, I think, empire-wide. Let's take a look. This Lepanto. Yep. Everybody's unhappy because I purged pop, even though I didn't. And that's really, really, really annoying. Bug. That's a bug. If I knew the console code for that, I would remove it, but I don't. Here we go. There's my fleet, I think. Yeah, there it is. Come on over. I'm gonna have to split my fleet up for some of the wars that I want to do, I think. Oh, construction ship. Where are you? Oh, you're up there. Build mining stations. And build a bunch more mining stations over there. How about you do that for me, okay? Okay. Here we go. There we go. Let's watch what happens here. The Ottomans have insulted us! The Serene Republic of Venice is a nation of fools, worthy of nothing but contempt. Okay. Just because we have a bunch of people who want to be in our little empire, and you know, granted, we had to make things. We had to go get some of those people into our empire, but still, we have a lot of people who are perfectly content to be in our empire. Just because you don't have anybody else in your empire doesn't mean that we're fools.
Construction complete.
Yeah, we're gonna have to build some more fleets. Faux show. Oh my goodness! And this is on the fastest speed too. Go get 'em, boys.
Complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
Go get 'em, boys.
Construction complete.
Oh yeah.
Situation log
Done.
updated.
Yeah, do that. And actually, Schiaparelli, just for fun, let's see what these guys had. And now, once they're in position, transport fleets. We'll start... Okay, we'll start by getting everybody into... Actually, give me a minute. Wait, why can't I land armies? Hang on. Is there just nobody here? I can colonize this. Huh. Hang on. I think I just lost the... I think I just lost it. I think that's all that happened. Well, it's a tropical world. Let's say we go right down around in here. Hey, Beskel. Yes, I know all your people are unhappy with me because I purged, even though I didn't purge, but whatever. Build. Colony ship. Let's give you... Xenophile, Fanatic, Spiritualists. Alright, let's do it. It's gonna take 350 days, and then you know what? Give me a spaceport upgrade. Just do it. Alright. Okay. So we're just gonna go and recolonize that, I think. It took so long for that fleet to get here. We have too big of a... We have too big of an empire. It's one of those things. It's gonna be really difficult to actually wage a war. How long do we have to wait before we can do that? Genocidal. Oh my goodness. I hate that. You know, I'm gonna find out how to console that out because that's wrong. I'll do that off camera. Bad. Bad, bad, bad. Bad, bad, bad. Okay. Construction ship. Build mining stations, and then build mining stations. And then build a mining station. Sweet, okay. So the real question is, now that I have my... I'm going to leave them there for now. Actually, my fleet. We will leave them there for now. Okay, and then... Yeah. Then we have the colony ship going, so that'll be fine. I wonder if I should build some more stuff. Kastan, I know you're a cruiser factory, because I named you that. Let's build some cruisers. How about some, was it lightning? Was it torpedo? Lightning gun class. Let's build like 3 of these. Hey, Murano. Oh, maybe not Murano. Where else was I building cruisers? I don't remember. Ooh, harbor. Actually, you do crew quarters instead. So this guy was building, he had the synchronized defenses, which I really just don't need. Because that's the actual station, and our stations are just so small they're just going to get blown up. Like, it has 443 military power. It's going to be facing fleets of 40,000. Having a little bit of extra fire rate is just useless, so we won't bother with that. So we'll do some crew quarters there, and we'll probably... This will be a place where we have our fleet sit that's out of the way of our capital world, which will be awfully nice. Now, Dalmacia. Ah, good. You're good and big. You know what? Why don't you just build cruisers anyway? Actually, you build cruiser assembly yards. That's what we're going to do in a lot of places. A lot of the upgraded spots. Oh, you can't do it. Give me a level 3 spaceport. go? No. So I'm trying to remember where my upgraded spots were, and I think Murano was one of them. The problem with Murano is that, oh, might as well just do it. Cruiser assembly yards, go. Yeah, we gotta upgrade everything. Level 4 spaceports. Yoldarune. Lepanto. Hey, why don't you... Level 4 spaceport. Why don't you go level 5? Toledo. 3, 4. And now Zara. Zara's nearby to our capital and can conceivably build things that will come in handy and be able to get to our capital quickly. And that should get rid of our minerals rather quickly. Oh, I don't have enough to upgrade that. Well, interesting. Well, that's the way it is. We're gonna have to recolonize this, I think is what's going on. We'll keep the fleet there and the armies nearby just in case. In fact, let's do this. Transport fleet. Enter orbit. Get all the transport fleets here just in case anything weird happens. So we got a tropical world out of it, which is alright. And we just have to resettle. And then everybody hates us because we're genocidal. We're gonna have to remove that. But I think that is how we're gonna do it. I'll do some consoling. I will probably not do very much else off camera. But yeah, we'll see what we get. We'll settle that place. We'll be ready for action in our next war, which is going to be, let's see here, 20. That's 3 years. It's like 8 years or so. About 8 years, maybe closer to 7. And then what are we going to want to do? That's a good question. Yeah, we'll go to war with Korea and the Aztecs and all their allies, and we'll see what we can do. But until then, I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. We lost and we can regain this lovely little planet. Man, messing with alien tech, that's always going to be a little bit dicey, isn't it? Either way, I look forward to seeing you next time.